African continent is splitting into two, and because of that, pretty soon our coastal areas in India, places like Kerala, Mumbai, Gujarat, Goa, and Karnataka could end up as freezing deserts, just like Tibet. But how? Let me explain. Picture this. Africa, the cradle of civilization, is undergoing its seismic transformation. The Nubian Plate and the Sonali Plate, two massive tectonic plates, are tearing the continent apart. But what happens if these plates are completely separate? Brace yourself because the consequences are mind-blowing. If the newly formed Somali Plate goes on a collision course with India's western coast, boom, the impact is colossal. Coastal regions skyrocket to half the height of Mount Everest. Imagine the beautiful beaches in Mumbai, Kerala, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Goa, buried beneath layers of frost. Backwaters replaced by icy wastelands. The once sunny paradises turn into freezing deserts overnight. Average temperatures plummet, leaving residents shivering in disbelief.
Scientists are predicting that a new ocean could be created as Africa gradually splits into two separate parts in the future.
Look at the left side of that image. Like massive amounts of water came over there and then pulled back. Like look at the way it's eroded.
Map of our world is about to change. I'm talking about the continent of Africa splitting into two.
A massive crack appeared out of nowhere.
We have all witnessed political parties tearing nations apart. But what if I told you that continents themselves are splitting right before our eyes? The earth is cracking open in countries across Africa, striking fear in the heart of people. But amidst the chaos, there's a silver lining. These fractures hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of our planet's formation. These tectonic plates are responsible for the formation of our Earth's crust. These fractures may seem terrifying, but they are providing us with invaluable insights into how our world came to be. The very plates that formed the Earth are now splitting apart, creating new oceans in the process. That's right, folks. We are witnessing the birth of new oceans right here on our planet. Imagine if the western coast of India is suddenly frozen. A multitude of crises cascade, swiftly engulfing the region in chaos and uncertainty. This unprecedented event would trigger a chain reaction of economic, social, and environmental challenges such as economic disruption, food insecurity, environmental imbalance, humanitarian crisis, geopolitical tensions, technological and infrastructural challenges. But even in all of these assumptions, the crisis may serve as a catalyst for unprecedented collaboration and innovation, uniting communities, governments, organizations in a shared mission to rebuild and adapt. Investments in renewable energy sources and sustainable infrastructure transform the region into a beacon of resilience, reducing reliance on vulnerable coastal ecosystems and mitigating the impact of future environmental threats, inspiring the global movement towards greater environmental stewardship and solidarity. The geological drift leading to the splitting of Earth's crust presents the remarkable opportunity for the continent. As plates separate, new landmasses emerge, harboring untapped natural resources and diverse ecosystems. This abundance fuels economic growth and development, empowering African nations to harness their newfound wealth responsibly for the benefit of their people. Moreover, the geological transformation creates unique environmental niches fostering biodiversity and ecological resilience across the continent. With increased access to mineral deposits, fertile soil, and renewable energy sources, Africa becomes a magnet for investment and innovation. This isn't just a curious story. It's about how our lands were made, how mountains got so high, and why our earth is still here, solid and strong. It's the tale of our planet, our hull. Every crack, every move, and every fake is like a part of giant dance that made everything herald us. It's a story that's full of wonder and makes us feel amazed at the world we live in. Consider subscribing if you like the video. Thank you.